What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with you today with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the myEcon marketing system that you can easily tap into. That's going to help you get sales in myEcon. If you're thinking about joining myEcon, I really want you to pay attention to this video so you'll see what we have going on here. So before we get started, I want to thank all of my subscribers. Thank all of you all who have just subscribed. And if you're thinking about subscribing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I do other videos as well. All right. So let's move on with the myEcon marketing system review. Okay. It's called the instant income method, as you can see here on this video, the instant income method. And it just walks you through the process. And as I said, this is a system specifically for getting people to join you in myEcon. Okay, so you would just simply follow the steps, follow the videos, then you can start the traffic. Okay, so you have everything set up. So the first thing you want to do is make sure once you join myEcon, is join the Facebook private group. There's a lot of help and support in that group, and you will fit in, just right. And if you want to really take this business to the next level, then get in the group so you can see what's going on. Okay, so thing you want to do, want to let you look at the funnels. These are some of the funnels that we have. You can preview them. Okay, look at a couple of funnels, see how these are set up. Okay, then you can have, this is the other one. Okay, so these are your capture pages in here. This is going to lead up to your capture pages, and you're able to just copy the URL and go from there. Now, I highly suggest that if you're going to promote these on Facebook, that you get a domain name through either Namecheap or GoDaddy and mask it, because Facebook are blocking these links because we got haters on there that are hating on us. And so you want to mask your links so that way Facebook won't block you and things like that. Okay, so myEcon is blowing up on Facebook, is blowing up across the United States, period. And so you really want to get in on this now. Okay, so you have the funnels, and then you have the landing pages. Okay, so you have landing page 1. Here's a video presentation. Then you have the step 2, and then where they can get for the marketing system, and you're able to preview them as well as copy your URL as well. Okay, we also have training. Okay, you have the myEcon, how to set up the direct deposit with myEcon, locating your products in myEcon, and the compensation plan of myEcon. Then we have paid traffic for me in Udemy. I use Udemy a lot to get traffic to my capture pages inside of the Conversion Pros. I haven't used traffic for me, but I do use Udemy, and I recommend that to you as well. We also have resources. Okay, you have Facebook posts, okay, that you can just simply copy. Okay, then you have the body. We have SMS messages that you can use for text messaging, and we have Facebook post images that you can post on Facebook. And as I said, you want to copy this image and you can post it on Facebook. Okay, so we have about 6 images, and there will be some more promotional materials coming. There will be some more training coming. This is not all, this is just the beginning. Okay, so you have the resources, you have the leads. See, if here I actually signed up for myself, so you're able to get your leads information, and you're able to export your leads. And I'm big on that. If you're not able to get your leads in any marketing system that you sign up for, then you really shouldn't be signing up for it. Get out of it quickly so you're able to get your leads. So what I have done as well is, like I said, you can use these capture pages. There's nothing wrong with that, because you see that you get your leads. I actually opted in myself just to see how it works, and they send emails on your behalf to get people to sign up with you in myEcon. Okay, so that's one route you can go. Or you can do what I did. I actually created, let's see, let me move this down. I actually created my own capture page within the Conversion Pros, okay? And so it's similar to what was done on the capture pages here. Matter of fact, I used this one here. And if you preview it, it's just a different, the background is white, you know, mine is black, okay? So when somebody clicks here to continue, if you do it here, it automatic drops down here, okay? But when somebody clicks here on mine, it's going to take them to this one here, okay? And as you can see, I just click it to show you how it does that. See, now I go back. That's it. And I built this within the Conversion Pros. And when someone clicks here, it takes them to this page, which is similar to this right here on their drop down. And so that's all you have to do. And this goes to my autoresponder within the Conversion Pros, you know, so I don't have to worry about all my leads and things like that. So I get my, what I do is I like to grab my own leads information so I can market to them myself. But if you want to use one of these capture pages, you can do that, because you can export your leads. See, and it downloaded here. Just click here and it exports to CVS. Kind of wait till this open up a little bit. And see, there you have your leads information, and you can take this information and actually put it inside of the Conversion Pros if you want to. So you can do that. So you have that info as well. So this is, you know, a system that you can tap into. The instant income method system is a system that you can tap into and let it be your myEcon marketing system, okay? And you can also, you know, do it like I did it. Just create your own within the Conversion Pros. And I'll leave a link to the Conversion Pros in the description as well, okay? And as I said, what I did here simply goes to here, okay? So that's the income method system, marketing system that you would get with myEcon. So if you're not in myEcon and you want to join myEcon, look, there will be a link in the description below. Okay, also a link to the Conversion Pros where you can sign up and get going. It's only $20 to get started with myEcon. You get a 7-day free trial with the Conversion Pros as well. So there's training in the group where people are helping you. We have daily tasks that we do every day as far as posting on Facebook groups, in Facebook on your profile, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna close out this video. I hope you got value out of it, you know, kind of just give you extra push to consider myEcon. So with that being said, hit the link in the description, go ahead and subscribe, and y'all have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.